Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how we converted our PDF slides that we did in Canva presentation into a SCORM course. In this time, we're going to transfer it into a PowerPoint presentation using Train
Welcome
Day,
to our
right?
employee onboard.
So we're going to log in here into Train Day, and in our account, we have this math lesson that we did. Let's check it out. And we created this with our slide presentation from Canva, right? So this is our original Canva slide presentation. Exported that, imported it as a PDF, and we ended up with this. We added our own presenters, right?
Welcome to our middle school math lesson.
All right, this slide too.
Algebra is a branch of mathematics.
That's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to export this into a PowerPoint presentation. We'll just export PowerPoint. And the order of the slides, we want this one first and this one second. We'll go ahead and create our document. You can't export the quizzes into PowerPoint right now, but maybe at a later date. Right now, we just have our slides. So we'll download the presentation and let's see what we get, right? So let me just put this on the dashboard. And I'm going to go to Microsoft 360 here. And I'm going to say upload. And here's our PowerPoint presentation. And let's see what we get in Microsoft, right? Here we go. Here's our PowerPoint. Let's check it out.
Welcome to our middle school math lesson. Today, we will
Check out our next slide.
Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols and
There we go. So have fun exporting your Train Day projects into PowerPoint and using them in Microsoft. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.